Good evening, online family. It is about 8:17 or 8:18 on Tuesday, November 21st, 2023 in the Bahamas. And I just want to do a quick screen recording of the abilities of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra capturing the moon. And we're also going to try to do a 100 times AI capture. See if we can get it. Almost. Let's get another shot. Awesome. This is at 100 zoom. 100 times zoom with the AI assistance. Last one before the motorcycle passes by. All right. All the best from the Bahamas with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in the urban area of New Providence. All the best.